If you want your recipient to read your cold email, you need an attention-grabbing subject line. I've overseen millions of cold emails being sent for us and our clients, and today I want to show everything that I know about cold email subject lines. Stick around, this is going to be a good one. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and hit that like button for more videos like this. This is Cold Email Hub. All we talk about is cold email. The subject line is the first point of contact with the prospect. When somebody receives your cold email, one of the first things they see is the subject line. They see a few points of data. They actually see your name, the subject line, and the first few words of the email itself. Now, we can't really optimize your name, besides maybe making it a little easier to spell, or if you have a name that's too long, you might want to shorten it down to make it easier for the international community to say. But you can only shorten the name so much. So maybe we'll leave that to another video, and today let's just talk about the cold email subject line. Your subject line is the deciding factor of whether your email will get opened or end up in the trash. Well, for cold email, it's not like warm email. It's not like sending an email to your list using MailChimp or Aweber or one of those sending tools. A cold email is sent to somebody who doesn't know you. And so the best subject lines are the subject lines that a stranger might send you in order to get you to open an email. And it's not like, our new spring sale. It's not stuff like that. Subject lines like that will force you into the spam box because it seems like they're on a newsletter they didn't subscribe to. In order to actually have a good subject line on your cold email campaign, you need to think from the perspective of you're somebody who is making it in business and you're reaching out to one of your peers to ask if they want to work together. With that being said, here are the top 5 subject lines that work in cold emails in our testing after having sent millions of cold email campaigns. Number 5 is 2 ideas. Number 4 is your story. Number 3 is intro. Number 2 is question. And the number 1 top performing cold email subject line is quick question. There are other ways that you can get cold emails to be opened, but those are the short and simple ones that outperform all the others. Now, let's say you've already tested those and for your specific market, they aren't working. I can give you some more examples. But first, go test those. Specifically, quick question outperforms all of your subject lines across niches. So before you go out and try to innovate your cold email campaigns, stick with what works and try to get a baseline based on the best practices that we teach here on Cold Email Hub. And then you can have your own ideas. But before that, implement what we just said. The short and simple ones work the best. Now, let's go into the next category of subject lines. Curiosity. These subject lines evoke an emotion. They create curiosity and they engage users so they have to click the emails. Our top 5 curiosity subject lines are these. Number 5 is, I've got a story for you. Number 4 is an emoji related to their niche. In our testing, we've used beer emojis when we're emailing breweries. We've used the little video game guy that looks like a Space Invader emoji, or a game controller when we're emailing game companies, something related to their market and their niche that they're going to open. Number 2 is Meeting Wednesday. And the number 1 curiosity headline is something for you, first name. So it would be something for you, Alex. This uses their first name and thus will get them to open more often. Another category of subject lines that we like to use in our cold emails are the name or company name type of subject line. These are subject lines with personalization like first name or company name. And the top 5 name/company name subject lines are number 5, idea for company. Number 4, intro, first name, company name, my company name. So this would look like intro Alex X27-Lead Shark. Number 3, found company on source. This would look like found Berman Realty on Yelp. Number 2, business partnership, company name and your company. So business partnership, X27 and Lead Shark. And the number 1 name/company name subject line is quick question, company name. So quick question, X27. I could give you millions of other subject line examples, but those are the top performing ones that you should test immediately in your cold email campaigns. If you still want more, we are giving away 77 plus of our subject lines that we've used in our cold email campaigns. And you can get that as a free download by going to email10k.com/subject. or clicking the link down below in the description. Just make sure you always experiment with the subject lines, because something that's worked for us or that's worked in our specific niche or in a specific period of time is not necessarily going to work for you. Subject line also isn't the only thing that influences your open rate. If you had a high bounce rate or you have low quality leads, then that will also influence your open rate tremendously and might even get you marked as spam. So I always recommend you get your B2B leads off of LeadShark. And there's a link down below for a special deal just for watchers of this video. When you do your cold email subject lines, it's also really important that you measure the open rates of your campaigns. So use any number of tools that track opens. There are a few that I like, and you can actually just look at our top tool recommendation over at coldemailmanifesto.com/tools. If you want to learn more about lead generation and have me help you out weekly on live calls, then you can join Email 10K, join our community of awesome hustlers all trying to grow their businesses together with cold email. You can do that at email10k.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.